This is the dam at Pitlochry. Everyone knows Pitlochry because of this dam. It's beautiful. This is a can of Iron Brew. People know Iron Brew because of Scotland. There was going to be a metaphor here, but I can't be bothered. Let me just show you around Pitlochry. Hi guys, I'm Sean Brett and this is my travel life. Pitlochry, like I was saying, is very well known for its dam. And to be fair, there's a good reason for it. It's a beautiful dam. It's got great views from the top of the dam, great views of the river, and even better views from a drone. But for you guys watching this video, you're probably planning to visit Pitlochry. So let me show you a bit of other places around Pitlochry. Pitlochry has a lovely small village feel to its town. As you walk through it, you get all the village style shops, as well as some touristy shops. You have places where they make local jewellery, and you have a lot of local whiskey shops. It's a beautiful little town. A couple of miles out of Pitlochry, there's a woodland area called the Hermitage. I've already done a video on this, so if you guys want to go back and watch it, be my guest, but a basic review of it, it's a lovely scenic walk in a woodland area, just great views. But, as I was saying at the start of the video, Pitlochry is known for its river and its dam. It's got some beautiful views from this dam and this river. Here's some of them. There is great walks that take you over the dam and around the river. You can spend hours exploring Pitlochry with its great walks around its dam, its lovely scenic village, and its woodland area just miles away. Thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed this video, then I've got loads of other videos similar to this on my channel about other places in Scotland, because I'm exploring Scotland and I believe everyone else should too. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon.